Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about quality gates in SonarQube. But first, what are those? A quality gate is a set of conditions that will enforce the quality policy for our applications. It will prevent us to deploy code with bugs, vulnerabilities, or low coverage for unit testing. So let's go and see those conditions. Here in Sonar, you can go to the quality gate section and you will see all the quality gates you have. In my case, I just have one, the default one, and here are the conditions that it will follow. For instance, we have the coverage metric that it will fail if the percentage is less than 80%. Also, we have the duplicated lines, maintainability, reliability, security hotspot, security rating. All of this will measure my application and it will fail if the rank is below of this value. One thing that I want to mention is that a quality gate can be assigned per project. So you can have many quality gates and assign different conditions for certain projects that can be more flexible than others. Okay, and now, how can we create a new or a custom quality gate? First, I'm going to copy this default one and I'm going to rename as a custom. And now I have two. Here are the conditions, the metrics, and you can edit the values. So for this one, I'm going to change this 3% for 5. I'm going to update the condition and also I'm going to update the coverage from 80 to 75. And also I'm going to assign this quality gate to my project, this one. Okay, and now I can set it as default. As you can see, it has changed the default one and I have two now. You can see one difference here is that for the custom one, you can edit all those of these values. You can even delete metrics or add conditions, but for the built-in, you can't. You can modify any. Okay, you can go back to the project and you can see these mini dashboards and mini snippets that came from the quality gate. One important thing is within the project, well, this passed, it means that the quality gate has passed. You can go inside of the project to see more details about the quality gate. Here are all of the details about the last analysis, and here are the conditions. When our quality gate failed, here it will appear the conditions that had failed. The important part here is that you must fail your pipeline within Jenkins or any other CI/CD tool, because if the SonarQube quality gate failed, the process should stop. You can deploy any code or any application with bugs, with vulnerabilities, and so on. And for that, in Jenkins, SonarQube offers the plugin offers a method to query or to retrieve the information from the quality gate. Also, SonarQube has an API which you can call from that endpoint and get the information about the quality gate. In later videos, I'm going to show you how to retrieve this information from Jenkins. Okay, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.